सीबीआई के स्कैनर में है सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के
रजत मेवाती।
क्या वो जानते थे कि आखिर सुशांत के अकाउंट से पैसे कहां गए? क्या फंड्स की हेरा फेरी के बारे में कुछ बता पाएंगे
रजत?
Well, there has been no press conference or written statement by the CBI team. News channels have been sharing updates that the CBI team has completed at least 3 rounds of questioning for Siddharth Pithani and Neeraj, who were present in the house when the actors' mortal remains were found. Well, guys, the CBI has hit the ground running and has reportedly formed 3 different teams to investigate into different aspects in Sushant Singh Rajput's case. Now, after having recreated the scene of the 14th of June with scientific techniques and methods, the day that Sushant had passed away, leading up to the events of his demise, they've also questioned key people, that is Siddharth Pithani and Neeraj, and now according to reports, they're going to start questioning the one person who's been in the eye of the storm, and that is Rhea Chakrabarti. While the Mumbai police were questioning 60 people and were pursuing an angle of professional rivalry and career-related issues that could have caused the actor to take a drastic step, the FIR filed by Sushant's father changed the course of the case, with the focus shifting to financial fraud and mental harassment, and Rhea Chakrabarti becoming the main accused in the case. We are also hearing reports that Sushant's accountant
Rajat Mewati
has also been questioned by the CBI about the late actor's accounts. He was allegedly questioned at the DRDO guest house where the CBI team has set up base, and there are unconfirmed reports that he will be questioned about the actor's financial transactions. Sushant's father had alleged that 15 crores had been transferred out of the actor's account, and both the CBI and ED investigation will be looking into the angle of the missing funds and mismanagement of Sushant's accounts. There are also some sources claiming that Mr. Mewati may be questioned if Rhea had legitimate access to Sushant's bank accounts and how much of a say she had in the late actor's account. In addition, Mr. Mewati may also be asked about whether Rhea interfered in the actor's financial decisions even after she left his apartment on June the 8th, says unconfirmed reports. While Rhea is yet to receive summons, her brother Shovik is being questioned by the CBI as per some news updates, and it won't be long before Rhea is summoned too. It's been a long wait for Sushant's family to get justice and the closure they need, and one hopes that with the CBI conducting a thorough investigation, the truth will soon see the light of the day.